Audi Skysphere is a look into the future because we are showcasing and visualizing the potential of this progressive technology, automated driving level 4. That means it showcases the opportunities around this technology, because the Audi Skysphere is on one hand a real sports car, and it can transform in only a few seconds into an autonomous lounge. The highlights are that we combine a very muscular body with very elegant lines. And this combination is something really progressive, that the car looks on one hand very sporty and muscular and super elegant and very sleek. The Audi Skysphere is a very progressive interpretation of a roadster. The proportions of the Audi Skysphere are simply breathtaking. Dream proportions, I have to say. Big wheels, a long wheelbase, very long and low bonnet, in combination with a very short overhang, a speedster roofline.
You really give a vision of what the car industry could be in the future and what Audi will be in the future. The Audi Design Loft is a small advanced design studio. We try to be as creative as possible and anticipate what kind of experience a future customer is looking for. And that's what we've done with the Skysphere. It's a car with dual personality. It's ground touring in autonomous mode, but it transforms into a true sports car. We try to offer an experience that goes way beyond what a roadster today offers.
The Audi Skysphere is a big step ahead into the future.
If you enjoy the video, please consider subscribing, likes, comments, shares and turn on the notification bell. You will be notified of new video coming out. Thank you for watching and drive safe.